Foshan Tianpuan Building Materials Technology Company Limited was established in 2010. We are specialized in designing, manufacturing, marketing, and construction of the steel structure, prefab house, container house, light steel villa house, and sentry boxes. All the engineers in our company have at least 5 years of experience in this field. We have a professional installation team which included 30 skilled workers. TPA Housing have 2 production workshops, covered area of 15,000 square meters. One is in Lishui Town, Foshan, which is mainly produce prefab house and fence, and the other one is located in Gaoming, Foshan, which is mainly produce steel structure and container house. We can provide home design expertise, construction knowledge you need to build your custom home in short time and within your budget, and help you to achieve the balance between quality, function, and costs. Thanks to the management group, which consists of experts and business professionals of the industry, 60 employees, the company has kept on steady increasing for these few years. We committed to provide first-class quality and professional sales service to all of our clients. We have clients all over the world such as Angola, Palau, Maldives, Ethiopia, Tanzania, Caribbean, South Africa, Austria, UAE, Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam, Peru, Australia, Cyprus.